How to change clan tag on PUBG. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Gaming Basics. Today I am going to guide you how to change clan tag on PUBG. Changing clan tag on PUBG is quite easy, so without any delay, let's start the video. Open PUBG Mobile, launch the game on your mobile device. Go to the clan menu. Tap on the clan icon which is typically located on the main screen. It's located right here. Select your clan. Find and tap on your clan's name to enter the clan management interface. Go to clan setting. Look for an option like manage or clan info within the clan menu. Change clan tag. Find the clan tag section. You can edit the tag here. Enter your desired clan tag. Confirm changes. Once you have entered the clan tag, confirm the changes. You may need to tap save or confirm button. And there you go, it's done. That's how you can change clan tag on PUBG. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.